This is the sound. That sound that good one. See? It, I don't know what kind of sound it is, but it has some alarm right
Hold it still, let me see it. Well, I'm gonna have to get closer to that.
You can see it. It's the
Yeah,
Model
it says, motor rated
E75795.
fan only. Limit, it says limited ceiling fan. Listed.
UL listed.
Listed.
And it's from December 1989.
Yeah, UL.
December 1987.
Yep. Okay.
This is what the boy look like. Yeah, stencil. Do it upside down when I found it, so I flipped it around. And this is what the bottom of it looks like.
Let me get a little closer.
It has these vents on it.
Sorry about the TV in the background.
It has these vents on it.
Look like shoe prints?
Yeah. The things that look like these weird cyclops looking things. I think with one eye. That would be the eye. It's called
or
these are called
explanation
footprint
point.
vents.
Explanation points. Or,
Yeah,
or bunny ears. Or bunnies, yeah.
Or
Bunny ears and eyes. Ears and eyes. Like Mickey Mouse.
We're gonna put these blades on. That's it. I thought I had like an extra screw because one of the screws are missing. I guess I'll grab it from the nose there.
Okay, so we found a screw.
Yeah, it's not a screw, it's from a different kind, but because it had 9 screws.
9.
Let's figure it out. I got one blade on it. That's what we cut. I'm gonna put the second blade on it.
thought the screw dropped for a minute there.
No. It was just
I know.
the fall.
I know that now. For a split second, I thought, oh, and then I seen the chain, you know.
Those 2 blades. That's why I'm not gonna spin it, because I don't want it.
Yeah.
It's just this chain thing. Likes the tip.
Really a nice man. We really like this man, don't we? When he found it, he was like, a stencil fan.
I didn't say that one.
I know, but you were really excited.
Found it.
You were like that. You were very excited.
Yeah, and I also said about the vents. I like the GE vents more than these, but I still really like these. They're like my second favorite vent. Still looking for the GE vent fan.
Mm-hmm.
The GE vent fan. Has the vent design on it.
Nathan.
I'm putting the 4th blade on.
And tell the story of how you found it.
I found it at Goodwill 2 days ago.
Weren't even expecting to
I
find it.
wasn't expecting to find this one.
They've had nothing but junk lately, so.
And I found it. This isn't the fan I was looking for, but it's really nice. Vintage fan. When did they start making these fans?
When did they stop?
I don't know.
I don't know.
The late 90s? They still had these. Like, the footprint fence. I think GE vent was more popular.
Mm-hmm.
Screws are a little bit loose.
It's looking good.
It keeps wanting the tip.
Let me get a full picture. Taking some screenshots too.
It does ask because it's on a canopy, but there's a rubber dang there. It's sitting on. I'm gonna put the fifth light on it now.
Oh, did I jinx it?
No, it didn't go in the
I
water.
said I thought it happened earlier and then it didn't go in it though. That's good. Went on the side. That was lucky.
It didn't go inside the motor.
Yeah, that would suck. What would you have to do if it did?
Probably take the housing off.
Oh
Part.
no. Really?
Yeah. This thing.
I never knew that.
I'd probably have to take this plate off. I don't really want to do that, but you can do it.
Yeah, that wouldn't.
It comes off.
That would be a whole nother video.
Mm.
We would have to just stop it and say part 2 like we used to do part 1 and part 2's videos. Catch him if you hadn't seen him. He was a little bit younger.
Make sure it's not going to hit anything.
He was a lot younger, actually, in some of those videos.
Cool. That's what he's spinning here.
We started doing these videos when you were like about 7? Whoa, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Actually, yeah, when I was 12 or 11.
You were 7 when you had the beach fan video. The beach fan video, remember?
I don't think I was 7.
You were 12, really?
Yeah. Sure.
You look young in that video. He always does this part. Because he can't put it up, so we don't have a place to put it up, so he'll just hold it
That's high speed.
and hear me saying, be careful.
It's not that heavy.
He's done this several times, though. But still, be careful.
That would be high speed.
That would be high. That's a lot of wind.
This would be like a low speed.
Did you trim your goatee?
No.
Oh, okay. It just looks shorter. You trimmed your mustache though, didn't you? Didn't you? You had to have. Okay, let's see.
But yeah, no. This is, yeah, a cool fan.
Yeah, and like, you get a close up to the stencils.
Yeah.
turn the light on so you can see the stencils a little better. It's a little bit better.
Looks nice. This is cool. It didn't come with a tassel. It came with this wooden fob. You see it?
You gonna do the chain?
Yeah. That's how I would wear it.
Yeah. People like it when you pull the chain.
Yeah. Now this is the end of the video. I will take the blades off. Wait.
Alright. Bye, y'all.